Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
How's everybody?
We are fine, thank you.
Okay, it's good to see new faces over here. If you allow, can I ask some questions?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay. What is your name, brother?
My name is Umar Awan.
Okay. And where are you from?
I am from Pakistan
You are from Pakistan. That's good. And what's your city?
city, Rawalpindi.
You belong to Rawalpindi. Okay. And how's weather today? How's weather today? It's warm. It's hot. It's chilling.
Hot.
It's hot. It's okay. It's okay. How are you?
I am fine.
Please stand up. And what's your name?
My name is Mohammed Usman.
Okay. Can you tell me about your family structure? What's your background? About your education? Introduce yourself.
My name is Mohammed Usman. I am from Pakistan. I live in village Girja. I am a student. I want to learn English. Thank you.
I think Umar like you. Umar like your communication effect. That's why he's laughing. Right? Have a good time. Please sit down. Hello, Jawar bhai. How is your experience with these young kids?
As you know, I am living with Spinal Cord Injury for last 23 years and I learned many skills. So it's a payback time to my community and I took this initiative to start this digital skill training center. So these are my first batch and you are going to meet next. Rehan Chaudhary.
Well, this is the need of time because communication is the key skill
Yes,
in
it
every
is, you are
profession.
right.
Hello, brother. What's your name?
My name is Umar.
I think I saw you a lot of time on Facebook or on social media.
Yes.
Is it so? Please introduce yourself.
My name is Umar.
You can sit down, please. Have a seat.
My other name is Nihal Sen. I read in class 9 grade in City Education School System. I am from Pakistan. I live in village Garja near Rawalpindi. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. Then I have breakfast. I go to school at 7 o'clock. My class starts at 9 o'clock. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I sleep at 10 o'clock.
What a brilliant disciplined colleagues. Please keep this routine with you. Oh, what's your aim in life? What do you want to become in your life?
I became to policeman, DGP and ASI.
Okay, now you want to join forces.
Yes.
I think the discipline is the main core of these forces, and as you schedule your timetable, this will help you. Well, good luck, good luck. This person seems to be a IT person. What's your name?
Zabran Bhatti.
Jibran Bhatti.
Zubran.
Zubran. What a lovely name.
You want to become a lawyer?
What at the moment? What are you doing at your laptop?
You are typing something or?
You are doing some official stuff or just for use for the typing or data entry? Official for you. Okay. Why you want to become a lawyer? There is another option. There is a lot of another option. It is very lucrative. I think you want to go after money.
For justice.
Yes. In our society, you know, okay, there is a dire need of justice. So a young person like you would be in this profession. So we can give this facility to our community as well. And here is a person. I think this is a new colleague.
Amar
How are you?
Nabi.
What's your name? Ahmad Nabi. And you basically belong to Girja. Okay. What's your father name?
Nabila.
So what's your aim in life? What do you want to become?
I became army.
An army person. Wish you very best of luck. You people, I think you people are at the very right place at very right time. Just invest your time. Try to. Oh,
Rehan left.
sorry, it's my mistake. What is the word?
I'm what about you?
I'm good. I'm good. And you tell me that how is your experience so far in this academy?
Experience very nice because Sarabjot Dibar is a nice. He is
He's a nice person or he's a nice teacher?
nice teacher.
Okay.
He translates English in every language, speak in other language.
Okay, please have a seat. I would like to suggest few things to you that always please if you want to improve your English then you have to eat English, you have to drink English and you have please try to use these words in your routine and in your daily communication. It's best if you utilize in every day whatever you learn from this academy, try to utilize it in your practical life, in your home, within your friends, and these things will make a difference inshallah.
Thank you for providing these valuable insights and tips. We will definitely going to apply these. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for visiting our digital academy. Thank you.